Hello, my name is Christina and I'll be reading today's daily devotion from Jesus Calling. Live first and foremost in my presence. Gradually, you will become more aware of me than of people and places around you. This awareness will not detract from your relationships with others. Instead, it will increase your ability to give love and encouragement to them. My peace will permeate your words and demeanor. You will be active in the world, yet one step removed from it. You will not be easily shaken because my enveloping presence buffers the blow of problems. This is the path I have set before you. As you follow it wholeheartedly, you experience abundant life and peace. Based on Peter 1, God bless you.
Thank you for watching today. If you like this segment, you can hit subscribe, like, and share that out. Thank you so much.